This is a 2010 Honda Accord that I just bought. Crash damaged. So far, we've ripped out the frame and re-welded the new pieces in while painting it and restoring all the drive components. We then moved on to all the timing components and timing chain, but I screwed up. So now I have to fix it all.
There's no way.
Again.
Let's go!
Dude, there's no way. We were literally like 15 minutes away from starting the car. This is a joke. Let's get the fluids done.
After what has been nearly 2 weeks of trying to get a timing job done, we're ready to get this set. We're going to clean off the coolant reservoir and fill it up just a little bit. The majority of everything else actually needs to go into the radiator for the system to flow. And we most importantly can't forget the washer fluid. From here, we're going to take the transmission drain plug, put that down below, and start to fill it with just enough fluid. We'll top this off later because we can't actually measure the level up until the engine gets running to temperature. But for that, we need engine oil. And for that, we need a good engine oil pan.
Oh my gosh. It doesn't come with new dowels. Okay, that's not a bad process. I thought it was going to be 100 times worse. It's not.
Thankfully, the old dowels came right out, and those will get hammered right into the new oil pan. The dowels also just help hold the pan in the right place. We don't want it offset or off-center, so this helps act as a guide for when we're placing it in. The oil pan is just going to be pushed right into where it needs to go, and press fit first. Then we're going to grab the bolts and put them into the correct pattern to help seal it down. Checking the new drain plug, looks like it went well. So now we're going to torque everything
Bingo!
and get finished.
Yay! It's finally in. And now I can actually fill the car up with oil. Woo!
2 weeks, the car has gone without oil, so now with our pre-filled account, we can pour it all in and get that done. Now, before we can get the car started, we need accurate brake pressure in the car. To do that, we need to bleed every system.
Okay, pulling and loosening.
And as I open it, it looks very yellow. It's not supposed to be that way.
Okay, this is bad brake fluid, because it's supposed to be like water. And if your water looks like this, you shouldn't be drinking it.
And that's exactly right. So we're gonna go around the whole entire car, doing it in a clockwise motion, and this is what it looks like in our first round. For reference, this is clean brake fluid. That's what we want. Showing how it changes, this is what it looks like at the beginning of one of the ones that we were doing in the rear. This time lapse shows how many different cycles we have to go through, but as you can see, it's starting to clear up. It's not 100% perfect, but it is definitely way better.
And now the brakes are bled.
Now to get us into the final stage, we have to plug in the rest of the electronics. First goes this airbag crash sensor, and then this ground. If this isn't in, there's an odd that the car won't start. We're going to plug in the ECU, and then we're going to push in the old headlight. These are going to need to be replaced later on down the line, but right now we're just worried about getting it to start.
Dude, I'm so scared. Like, I'm so afraid that something's gonna happen.
And after hooking up the battery,
This is actually so terrifying, bro.
we can see the headlights turn on.
After 2.5 weeks of working on this, getting everything set, getting all of the suspension components in, getting the engine timed, everything replaced, we've got the majority of it all pieced together. We don't have all of the air cowling, we don't have the battery housing, still a whole ton of stuff that we have to do, but we have the bare bones in the car enough just to get it started. So now when we turn the key, we get to figure out if I'm either pulling the engine or if we did the timing correct.
I'm so excited.
I'm not excited, I'm terrified.
From here, there's only one place to go, and that's for me to turn the key.
Alright, here we go. Accessories are on.
Hey, you did pull the pins on the engine, right?
What do you mean pull the pins?
You had pins in the timing to hold it in the right spot?
Yes. We'll even show you those.
No. If you
I'm
did it.
showing you to show myself, because you threw another thing that now has me paranoid. Cam pins are right there.
That would be a very bad day if those were still in there.
Yes, it would be. God bless America. Here we go. So far, so good.
You are smoking. It's probably just oil.
Actually, I need to keep this on for that.
An engine smoking is mostly never good,
Oh, no, it's the exhaust manifold.
but in this case, it is. We handled the exhaust manifold in the last episode with our bare hands, so this is just burning off all of the extra additional oil and debris that was on my hands.
So it's gonna smoke a little bit. Holy cow! Hang on, let's check underneath. Let's see if she's leaking anything.
Like, that sounds unreal! We let the car idle for a little bit while trying to check everything, making sure that nothing was leaking or sounding off. Then we gave it some revs to test it. So far, so good. I noticed that while it was idling, it was making this very loud ticking noise that you can hear here. And I thought it was the lifters.
Oh, you know what that clicking sound is? It's the injectors. It's the injectors, not the lifters that are doing that. Because if you come over here, if you put your head right in between them, right in between the head and the injectors, the sound is coming from this side, not over here. The block sounds dead silent. That scared the crap out of me. Well, congratulations, dude.
With that's my second engine ever rebuilt. But now, we know the car turns on. But does it actually drive?
We are going to see if she will actually properly run and drive. And here we go. Yeah! Let's go! She definitely needs an alignment. Let's do a turning test. Yeah, baby! And stopping. Oh yeah, baby. That's sick, dude. That's so good. First pull, here we go. Oh, she sounds mean. And with that, the Accord is fixed, it runs, and it drives. But now we have to make it actually roadworthy and not looking like we just rebuilt it. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next adventure where we finish this up. We'll see you there. Cheers.